Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this route planner platform, which is Signup Route Planner. So to get started, Signup Route Planner is a delivery optimization app built to save the drivers times and fuel cost. It allows you to add multiple stops, automatically find the farthest route, and integrate navigation with apps like Google Maps and Waze. Many drivers like it because it's simple to use, help reduce planning stress, and can even save up to 30% on delivery time, which make it a great tool for carrier, small businesses, or anyone handling multi-stop routes. On the downside, some users have reported issues with occasional wrong direction and limited features on the lower tier plan. The app can also slow down when handling a very large number of stops, and advanced tools required upgrading. So in conclusion, the Signup Route Planner is a reliable option if you need a smarter route planning, but for businesses with a large fleet, a more robust alternative might be better or might be considered. And that's it. Hope you find the review helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.